In this video, I'd like to talk about the return of a customer favourite from Ionic Systems, the Pro-5. And here is one of the first new and improved Pro-5s currently going through testing, ready to be installed in a customer's van soon. Such was the demand for Ionic's iconic Pro-5 machine that long after the company officially discontinued it, long-term customers continued to place orders for them. Customers love their Pro-5 so much that they transplant them from old worn-out vans into new vans, some as many as 4 times. Why replace it, they say? It's 15 years old and works as good as new. The Pro-5 was so well built, with large capacity linear filtration offering superior performance with low running costs, it's little wonder why owners love them so much. Add to that the ease of no tools filter change and partial self-draining for winter frost protection, and it becomes easy to understand why the Pro-5 is so highly valued. So much so, in fact, that when they do become available second-hand, they still command a hefty sum today. Resurrecting the Pro-5 was clearly a no-brainer. The question is why Ionic didn't do it sooner. The retro Pro-5, it's now renamed Linear, retains all of the features you love but now comes with up-to-date refinements that you'd expect. The non-rusting FMV SS28 crash-tested stainless steel frame will last a lifetime, and it comes with a 5-year warranty, whilst the tank features Ionic's unique perfect baffling system to ensure on-road vehicle stability. For further information, please see the video in the link. The 30-inch carbon and sediment filters are 300% bigger than those fitted on other brands and offer reduced running costs, long life and superior performance. Filters are linked with 13mm tubing, and they are using sweeping bends to ensure good water flow for superior performance in low pressure conditions. And the low pressure RO membrane works well with mains water pressure at 3.5 bar, which is around 50 psi. The filter stack is topped off at the top with a DI filter that changes colour to indicate that it's reached end of life. This is a particularly useful visual aid to ensure peak performance of your window cleaning service. The control panel is nicely angled at the top and is repositioned to give good accessibility to all of the controls. The pump controllers allow you to fine-tune the pure water flow. Also, there's a TDS meter so that you can read water quality from the RO and DI filters. RO flushing is either manual or automatic, depending on your preference. There's a convenient fuse panel up here to protect all of the 12-volt components, as well as a solenoid valve and a float switch to stop the water flow when the holding tank is full. Overall, Ionic's new linear machine presents itself as a no-nonsense window cleaning system for the busy window cleaner who just wants to get on with the business of cleaning windows. If, like me, you think your time is best spent cleaning windows and earning money rather than fiddling around and changing filters, then Ionic's linear machine is for you. Linear is available with a range of upgrades and accessories. For more information, visit the Ionic website. There's lots more detail in the user manual, and Ionic have online troubleshooting guides including how-to videos in different languages to help users get the best from their reach and wash systems. This video has been brought to you by Ionic Systems and the British Window Cleaning Academy. If you found this content useful and you'd like to receive a notification when we release similar content, then please subscribe and hit the like button. Thanks for watching.